You need to watch this if your AC just won't turn on. Don't sweat it. Here's why and how to beat the heat. First things first, check your power. Sometimes it's just a tripped breaker or a loose plug. Next up, peek at your thermostat. Is it set to cool and the temp lower than the room? Dead batteries or wrong settings can totally shut things down. Still stuck? Head outside and check your unit. If it's dirty or blocked by leaves, give it some space and a gentle rinse, no high pressure. And don't forget to swap out filthy air filters inside. Hear weird noises, smell burning, or spot ice. That could mean a bigger problem like a bad compressor, wiring issues, or a refrigerant leak. Don't try to fix those yourself. If all else fails, call in an HVAC pro. And trust me, annual maintenance saves you a ton of hassle. Stay cool, Louisiana. Now you know what to check if your AC won't start. Follow for more quick home tips.